PlayStation 5 is dead. Oh! Don't shoot the messenger. I'm only letting you know, but hey, it's dead. Xbox gave PlayStation that Thanos snap like. For many of y'all who are new to the story, Xbox basically bought Activision Blizzard for a lot of money. Couple $1 billion, 80 some money that I never seen in my entire life, money that my ancestors probably will never ever see. But they bought them recently, so now they own Activision Blizzard and all their IP, which means they own Call of Duty, Diablo, Overwatch, all these big major IPs. And you know, everybody knows Call of Duty is like a $1 billion IP. It's one of the most successful video game of all time, except for Grand Theft Auto, but that's a whole other story. But the killer, the nail in the coffin for PlayStation, why I'm saying PlayStation's dead, PlayStation basically gone, right? After this, I don't know what's gonna happen to PlayStation, but they won't be #1 anymore. But hey, Xbox Game Pass will now have Call of Duty and all Activision titles. So Phil Spencer has confirmed that all the titles from Activision Blizzard is coming to Xbox Game Pass on day one, which means that if you want to play Call of Duty, the best place to play Call of Duty is going to be on Xbox, because Xbox Game Pass is going to have it. They're going to have exclusive deals as well for the Xbox versus the PlayStation, you know, as you can imagine. So now you're going to have to pay $100 if you want to play a Call of Duty on PlayStation. But if you have a Game Pass subscription, like an Xbox Game Pass subscription, $15 a month, I think it's $16 now, that thing is always raised. But if you have a subscription, you can play it and it's included with your subscription, so you don't have to pay extra. So if you have kids and you have multiple Xboxes around your home, you can have one Xbox subscription, you can play Call of Duty and your kids can play whatever games they want to play through Xbox Game Pass. Now that is the nail in the coffin for PlayStation, because Xbox will never put Call of Duty on PlayStation subscription, never. But it will be on Game Pass. I mean, many could speculate that this could be the main reason why Jim Ryan left, because Jim Ryan left PlayStation somewhere this year, I believe. Somewhere last year, actually, in 2023. Jim Ryan left PlayStation, and you know, like, there's a new PlayStation CEO appointed. But PlayStation has been running the game for a very long time. You know what I mean? I have Xbox and I have PlayStation, and I play PlayStation more than I play Xbox, because all the exclusive titles are on PlayStation. Moreover, I don't really play video games like I used to. I play all my video games on a computer, and I get Xbox Game Pass on my computer, so there's no need for having an Xbox. However, with the recent news around Activision Blizzard, because the only game I actually play at this moment is Call of Duty. But if Call of Duty is going to be coming to some exclusivity on the Xbox ecosystem, then I don't see the purpose in me selling my Xbox. It might as well keep it, because it's going to have some, you know, exclusive Call of Duty stuff on there as well. So this is a win-win for Xbox, a win-win for gamers as a whole. So this is going to force Sony to, you know, farm some kind of deal to maybe hopefully have some of the PlayStation exclusive on Xbox and have some of the Xbox exclusive on PlayStation. But Xbox is not fighting the console war anymore. They're fighting the subscription war. So Xbox is trying to get as much people as possible on Xbox Game Pass, because they see the future as subscription, which means you're going to pay a little subscription, $15 a month, $10 a month, you're going to have unlimited games. So I don't know what you feel about this. You think it's a W move for Xbox? Do you think it's an L move here, PlayStation fanboy? I mean, like, let me know in the comment section. I'd love to see your comments. I mean, I always look forward to reading all your comments. But hey, until next time, don't let the Matrix get you. Take care.